Hey guys, it's Arthur, DNA Realty Group.
And Dave, DNA Realty Group.
And today we're going to talk about investing in real estate. A lot of people have been calling us ever since coronavirus and this craziness that happened. And they're asking us about how they can invest in real estate and diversify. So we're going to go through this little slide, which if you're on one of our top 100 clients, we love to add value and send you one of these. If you want to be added to the list, just email us at info@dna-realty.com. So let's jump into it and just get started. So point number one is saving for a down payment.
Yeah.
One is you could work really hard and save for a down payment. Or number two, what you can do is you could pull out an equity line of credit, which a lot of our clients do. They use that money instead of, buying things they don't need to buy an investment property, which then cash flows like a 2, 3, 4 family or 10 family. They use the cash flow for that property to save up, pay that debt off, and then to save up more money for a down payment to keep doing the same thing over and over again. Now, my brother David is going to talk to you about point number two.
So what you can do with all these investment properties that you get, you can increase your wealth as the property value rises over time. You're paying down your debt, and then all of a sudden you're also getting rental income coming in. Let's face it, we have investors that are making $500 a month, $1,000 a month. Then we have some making 10, 20, 30,000 a month. And we even have some investors that are making 100,000. And we have other investors that have been doing it for longer at a higher, kind of like a more dedicated process. And they're getting like $1 million plus in rental income. Obviously, they grew it over time. So it could be a lot on top of your working income that could potentially stabilize, an extra income source for you and your family.
Yeah, so I think that's huge. And like my brother said, we have people that we started from zero and helped them buy a 2-family, 3-family, up to 10 units. And our biggest client has over 350 units. So anywhere in that spectrum, we can help you. The next thing is you're going to earn income. A lot of people have lost their jobs right now, unfortunately, and are in a really difficult situation. And what we have is clients who are not really concerned because they have so many units and an additional source of income where they're getting rents and they're using those rents to basically pay their bills and be able to live and sustain through the storm, through this crazy coronavirus pandemic. But now I'll give it back to my brother. He's going to talk about point number 3 or whatever. It's not really point.
You also are going to get certain tax deductions, right, on your specific situation. So always talk to your accountant, but it's a very tax deductible item, real estate.
Absolutely. Next is you get to diversify your investment portfolio, meaning, hey, if you're in the stock market right now, it's getting crushed. And the stock market is super sensitive to pandemics and things like this that happen, but the real estate market is steady. Values do not depreciate that quick, and you're getting rental cash flow from your tenants, which is huge. And I'll let my brother talk about the next point, which is the tenants are helping you pay that mortgage, so you really don't have to worry.
Your tenants are helping you pay the mortgage, and essentially what you're doing is you're also having the opportunity to make a little cash flow positive on the tenants paying your mortgage. Let's face it, even during this time, people still need a place to live. People still need a place to rent. And we've had a property that we just sold right before this started, and they rented it during this time, and they're going to be cash flow positive. So there's nothing better than a real estate investments to help stabilize your overall portfolio. So when the stock market's a little shaky or the real estate's a little shaky, you have the other to counterbalance.
Absolutely. And if you want to set up a free consultation, I know one of my friends called me and he was asking a lot of information. We're glad to help you. We sell 9, 10, 15 unit buildings all the time, and we sell 2, 3, 4 family all the time and condos. But it's pretty simple. Step 1, come up with a down payment. Step 2, come up with a plan and strategy, and that means meet with your realtor. We can help guide you. And then also, you don't have to worry about managing that property or mismanaging it because we have a full service property management team as well to help you with all your needs and make it a seamless and a smooth process. Anything else you want to finish off as we wrap up?
I think investment property is a great idea. If you want to sit down and talk about it, you could give us a call. It can really help secure your future and even help your future generations of your family. And I think it's a great thing.
Watch this video and comment below on YouTube, share it. And if you guys want to really have us interview, in real estate investors that have 300 units or 10 units or 20, post below. We do a podcast and we do free content all the time to help you. And right now we're just amplifying that during these crazy times. Thank you for watching. We appreciate it and have a great day.